In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calculator in Notion. If you've ever wanted a quick way to do math right inside your workspace, this method lets you drop in a clean, functional calculator with just a link. We'll start by grabbing the calculator widget, then embed it in Notion. On your browser, search for Sharuk's Notion Calculator. Open the blog site that comes up. On that page, you'll see a working calculator you can click and test. Right next to it, there's a link you can use to embed the same tool in your own pages. Copy that link to your clipboard so it's ready to paste. Now switch over to the Notion page where you want the calculator to live. Click where you want it to appear, then press the / key to open Notion's command menu. Start typing the word embed and select the embed block, then press enter. You'll see a field asking for a link. Paste the link you copied a moment ago. Notion will fetch a preview, and after a brief moment, the calculator should load as an interactive widget right on your page. From here, adjust the embed window so the entire calculator is visible and comfortable to use. You can drag the edges to make it wider or taller, and reposition the block within your page until it fits your layout. If the calculator looks clipped, just widen the block or increase the height until all the buttons and the display are fully in view. Give it a second if you don't see it immediately. Sometimes embeds take a moment to render. Keep in mind, this calculator runs inside an embedded page, so it doesn't affect your databases or formulas. It's simply a handy tool you can open and use on the fly. If you want it easy to find, place it near the top of your page or right beside the content where you usually need quick math, like budget tables or task checklists. That way, it's always within reach while you're working. That's all there is to it. You've added a calculator to Notion using a simple web embed. This is especially handy when you're planning budgets, checking totals in a project dashboard, or doing quick conversions without leaving your notes. Because it's embedded, it stays where you put it and is ready whenever you need it. To recap, you grab the calculator link from the blog, use Notion's /command to insert an embed block, pasted the link, and resize the window so the whole calculator shows. Simple, fast, and done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Notion calculator.